Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru, and in this video we will go through the 49 important general knowledge questions based on the general science physics subject. So let us start with the questions and answers. So the first question is, which one among the following would expand the most on being heated? Option A, water. Option B, alcohol. Option C, glass. Option D, air. The answer is option A, water. The method of age determination called radioactive uranium dating cannot be used to determine the age of option A, rocks, option B, fossils and plant bodies, option C, the earth, and option D, the minerals on earth. The correct answer is option B, fossils and plant bodies. The time period of a pendulum watch, option A, depends upon mass, option B, depends on the length, option C, depends on the time, and option D, depends on the temperature. The correct answer is option B, depends on the length. Satellites used for telecommunication relay are kept in a geostationary orbit. A satellite is said to be in such an orbit when 1. The orbit is geosynchronous, option 2, the orbit is circular, and point number 3, the orbit lies in the plane of the Earth's equator. Point number 4, the orbit is at an altitude of 22,236 km. So option A, 1, 2 and 3 only, option B, 1, 3, 4 only, option C, 2 and 4 only, and option D, all of these points. So the correct answer is option A, 1, 2 and 3. The noise of 100 decibel is assumed to be option A, a properly listened sound, option B, an ordinary conversation, option C, a noise of the street, and option D, a noise produced by a machine of shop and listened at the another neighbor's place. The answer is option D, a noise produced by the machine of a shop and listened at another neighbor's place. The lowest possible temperature is option A, minus 273 degrees centigrade, option B, 0 degrees centigrade, option C, minus 300 degrees centigrade, and option D, 1 degree centigrade. The correct answer is option A, minus 273 degrees centigrade. The main power supply in India is 220 volt, whereas that in the US is at 110 volt. Which one among the following statements in this regard is correct? Option A, 110 volt is safer but more expensive to maintain. Option B, 110 volt is safer and cheaper to maintain. Option C, 110 volt leads to lower power loss, and option D, 110 volt works better at higher latitudes. The correct answer is option A, 110 volt is safer but more expensive to maintain. Instrument used to study the behavior of a vibrating string is option A, hygrometer, option B, sonometer, option C, barometer, and option D, hydrometer. The correct answer is option B, sonometer. The ratio of velocity of X-rays to that of gamma rays, option A is less than 1, option B is greater than 1, option C is 1, and option D depends upon the ratio of their frequencies. The correct answer is option C is 1. If an object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror, the position of the image is option A, at the principal focus, option B, between the principal focus and the center, option C, at the center of curvature, and option D, beyond the center of curvature. So the answer is option C, at the center of curvature. A man with a dark skin in with comparison with a man with white skin will experience option A, less heat and less cold, option B, less heat and more cold, and option C, more heat and less cold, option D, more heat and more cold. The correct answer is option C, more heat and less cold. a body is thrown vertically upwards and then falls back on the ground, its potential energy is maximum. Option A, on the ground. Option B, at the maximum height. Option C, during the return journey. And option D, both on the ground and at the maximum height. The correct answer is option B, at the maximum height. Consider the following statements. Point number 1, clear sky appears blue due to poor scattering of blue wavelength of visible light. Point number 2, red part of light shows more scattering than blue light in the atmosphere. Point number 3, in the absence of atmosphere, there would be no scattering of light and sky will look black. Which of the statements is correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. And option C, 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So all of the 3 statements. So the answer is option C, that is 3 only. So in the absence of atmosphere, there would be no scattering of light and sky will look black. Examine the following statements. Point number 1, waves of low frequency are actually produced through the flute of lesser length. Point number 2, sound through the rocks only transmitted in the form of longitudinal elastic waves. Which one of the following statement is correct? So option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, 1 and 2 both. And option D, neither 1 nor 2. The answer is option B, only 2. Sound through the rocks only transmitted in the form of longitudinal elastic waves. Next question is, the visible range of solar radiation is? Option A, 100 to 400 nanometer. Option B, 400 to 700 nanometer. Option C, 740 to 10,000 nanometer. And option D, none. The correct answer is option B, 400 to 700 nanometer. Non-metals are bad conductors of electricity because? Option A, they lack free or mobile electrons. Option B, they have light atoms. Option C, they have high melting points. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option A, they lack free or mobile electrons. If two conducting spheres are separately charged and then brought in contact, option A, the total energy of the two spheres is conserved. Option B, the total charge on the spheres is conserved. Option C, both the total energy and charge is conserved. And option D, the final potential is always the mean of the original potential of the two spheres. The answer is option D, the final potential is always the mean of original potential of the two spheres. The SI unit of electric flux is? Option A, Newton meter square per coulomb. Option B, Newton coulomb per meter square. Option C, Newton meter square per coulomb square. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Newton meter square per coulomb. A man is sitting on a rotating stool with his arms outstretched. If suddenly he folds his arm, the angular velocity of the man would be? Option A, increase. Option B, decrease. Option C, become 0. Option D, remain constant. The answer is option A, increase. The angular velocity will increase. Lenz's law is directly related to? Option A, energy conservation. Option B, mass conservation. Option C, momentum conservation. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, energy conservation. If three identical resistors, each of resistance R, are connected in parallel, then the equivalent resistance of the three resistors will be? Option A, 3 by R. Option B, R by 3. Option C, 3R. And option D, R cube. The correct answer is option B, R by 3. The phenomenon of natural radioactivity was invented by? Option A, Henry Becquerel. Option B, Rutherford. Option C, P. Curie. And option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Henry Becquerel. A photon of X-ray has energy of 1 kilo energy volt. A photon of visible radiation has energy of 3 eV. In this context, which one of the following statement is not correct? Option A, the wavelength of X-ray photon is less than the wavelength of visible radiation photon. Option B, both the photons have different energies. Option C, the speed of both the photons in vacuum are different. And option D, the frequency of X-ray photon is higher than the frequency of visible radiation photon. The correct answer is option C, the speed of both the photons in vacuum are different. Curie is the unit of option A, radioactivity, option B, temperature, option C, heat, and option D, energy. The correct answer is option A, radioactivity. Who was the inventor of cosmic rays? Option A, Bruno Rossi, option B, Victor Hess, option C, Copernicus, and option D, Edwin Hubble. The correct answer is option B, Victor Hess. Who was the inventor of electron microscope? Option A, Knoll and Ruska, option B, Robert Koch, option C, Leeuwenhoek, option D, C.P. Swanson. The correct answer is option A, Knoll and Ruska. The device to record and to reproduce of the detection of recording is called option A, audiophone, option B, detectophone, option C, gramophone, and option D, microphone. The correct answer is option C, gramophone. The spring constant of a spring depends on its option A, length only, option B, material only, option C, length and its diameter, and option D, thickness, its diameter and its material. The answer is option D, thickness, its diameter and its material. The escape velocity of any body on the Earth's surface is equal to how many times the orbital velocity of the same body about the Earth's orbit? Option A, 2 times, option B, root 2 times, option C, root 3 times, and option D, no any relation exists. Answer is option B, root 2 times. The famous photoelectric effect was fully explained on the basis of option A, quantum theory, option B, wave theory, option C, both of these, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, quantum theory. A semiconductor has option A, a negative temperature coefficient, option B, a positive temperature coefficient, option C, both positive or negative temperature coefficient, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, a negative temperature coefficient. 2 layers of a cloth of equal thickness provide warmer covering than a single layer of cloth with double the thickness. Why? Option A, because of the air encapsulated between 2 layers. Option B, since effective thickness of the 2 layers is more. Option C, fabric of cloth plays the role. And option D, weaving of the cloth plays the role. The correct answer is option A, because of the air encapsulated between the 2 layers. An artificial satellite orbiting around the Earth does not fall down. This is so because the attraction of the Earth, option A, does not exist at such distance. Option B is neutralized by the attraction of the Moon. Option C provides the necessary speed for its steady motion. And option D provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. The answer is option D, provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. The auto engine takes heat, option A, at constant temperature, option B, at constant volume, option C, at constant pressure, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, at constant volume. On raising the temperature of the medium velocity of light, option A, increases, option B, decreases, option C, remains the same, option D, suddenly decreases. The correct answer is option A, increases. In the graph of displacement versus time shown below, which statement is correct? Option A, the body is at rest. Option B, the body has some initial speed. Option C, the body moves with constant speed. And option D, the body moves with constant velocity. So the answer is option A, the body is at rest. A magnifying glass comprises a simple option A, convex lens, option B, convex mirror, option C, concave lens, option D, concave mirror. The answer is option A, convex lens. A body is charged negatively, it implies that option A, it has lost some of its protons. Option B, it has acquired some electrons from outside. Option C, it has lost some of its electrons. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, it has acquired some electrons from outside. Light waves projected on oil surface show 7 colors due to the phenomenon of option A, polarization, option B, refraction, option C, reflection, option D, interference. The answer is option B, refraction. The raindrops are spherical due to option A, surface tension, option B, gravity of spherical earth, option C, atmospheric friction of air molecules, and option D, viscosity of the raindrops. The correct answer is option A, surface tension. The velocity of sound in the air vacuum is option A, 330 meter per second, option B, 220 meter per second, option C, 110 meter per second, and option D, 232 meter per second. The correct answer is option A, 330 meter per second. The velocity of sound in the air is 330 meter per second. Sonar is frequently used by option A, astronauts, option B, doctors, option C, engineers, option D, navigators. The correct answer is option D, navigators. Which of the following is the best conductor of heat? Option A, mercury, option B, water, option C, leather, option D, benzene. The correct answer is option A, mercury. Two thin convex lenses of focal lengths 4 cm and 8 cm are separated by a distance of 4 cm in air. The combination will have the focal length option A, 4 cm, option B, 8 cm, option C, 12 cm, and option D, 32 cm. The answer is option A, 4 cm. Entropy is the measurement of option A, disorder parameter, option B, state of matter, option C, molecular configuration, and option D, none of these. Answer is option A, disorder parameter. The bodies executing free falling motion have option A, equal momentum, option B, equal velocity, option C, equal acceleration, and option D, equal force. The correct answer is option C, equal acceleration. The echo is produced by the sound waves due to option A, reflection of sound, option B, scattering of sound, option C, refraction of sound, option D, none of these. The answer is option A, reflection of sound. The dew doesn't form in the fast wind blowing during the night because option A, the rate of vaporization is fast, option B, there is a lack of moisture in the wind, option C, the temperature remains high, and option D, the sky is not clear. The answer is option A, the rate of vaporization is fast. For shaving, which type of mirror is used? Option A, concave mirror, option B, plane mirror, option C, convex mirror, and option D, none of these. Answer is option A, concave mirror. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Government Guru for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the notification updates. Thank you for watching.